Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and if you have used TikTok, you have probably seen like a few of AI kissing video, where probably someone put themselves kissing a celebrity, alright, or even getting squished, a photo image of you getting like squished into 3D, alright, or probably see a person probably turning into an angel, alright, or probably turning old or suddenly become muscular, or like maybe Jesus like coming to hug you, all this kind of like AI stuff, alright, and you are wondering how you guys can actually do it, alright. Do you need really pay for like ChatGPT Advanced? Well, you don't have to do that, alright. And today I found this really interesting AI tool, alright, that can do all these kind of things, and this really fun thing that you guys can play around with it, alright. And it is called the LitAI, alright. So this is like an AI video generator that can do all kinds of AI stuff you've seen on like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, alright, all these weird and funny stuff that you can do with it, and this app provides it for you. So this app is available on all both iOS and Android as well, alright, and it's really cool, alright, like a few that you've seen over at the start, alright. So yeah, you can do like some kissing videos, alright. You can do a lot of things like turn old and all kinds of really weird AI stuff, alright. And it's really cool about this app is because alright, what you can do with this is most of the time you don't have to do anything. You just need to upload a photo of you, alright, or upload some photos, and it will do everything for you. And it's really awesome, alright. You don't have to prompt it, alright. You just need to upload. You can select what you want. I think it's really interesting, and I'm gonna share it with you guys, alright. So right now I'm gonna show you guys the app itself and show you what you can actually do. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you this, the app itself. Okay, so I have the app open up. As you guys can see, alright, there's a lot of things you can do with it. Look at this. Alright, you can do like an angel, gothic gowns. Alright, you can suddenly become rich. Alright, maid outfit, suddenly turn into maid outfit. You can do all these kind of things. You can see they also have a preview, so you can see what is the after effect. Like this one is the popular Squish it one. I think this one is also quite popular. I think you guys have seen a lot of like Squish it video. Alright, item revival, all this really cool stuff. Right, and the one that you guys are probably interested in is the kissing video, or you can hug your lover as well. You can business handshake. There's a lot of things. There's even fighting as well. Right, you guys can see, alright. All these kind of things that you guys can do on this app is really next level. Alright, and they have really a lot of things. Alright, they have women's outfit of the day. Alright, you guys can make into different outfits, show different outfits as well. Really awesome. Alright, and they also have like man's outfit of the day. So as a man, you guys can generate really cool this kind of like shorts video, and you can post it on YouTube channel or post it on Instagram story, and show your friends and family, and they will think that it's real. Maybe your older parents, they might think this is real. Your grandparents. You can even switch character as well. They have a lot of things that you can do. Alright, it's really unlimited. You can have fun and play around with it. Or you can see all these kind of things. Japanese samurai instantly transform to samurai. Alright, giant animals as well. So basically you're walking side by side with all the animals. You guys can see. Alright, cat walking with the cat, or tiger, lion, whichever you like. It looks really cool as well. And it looks really lifelike, alright. You can make yourself into like riding a pony, a reindeer, a sports champion. If you ever dream of like becoming like a basketball champion, alright, you guys can do it as well. You can just upload an image. Alright, yeah, you can become whatever champion you have always wanted to be. You can be it with the power of AI. Alright, and yeah, they have a Happy New Year. It's a lot. You can see if I were to show you every one of it, alright, this whole video is probably gonna take days to this whole video probably gonna take like 9 hours, alright, to show everything. But it has every single thing that you guys seen on TikTok or anywhere on the internet. Alright, this app can do all kinds of things that you saw on the internet. So it's really cool. Alright, and they have this new thing called text to video, which you type in any text, they will generate a really cool video as per your text. So it's really awesome as well. So you can play around with it. Right, categorize your AI image. You can make use to like enhance your image, make it clearer. Alright, or upscaling, image repair. Probably have some like old photos, you can turn into colorized photos. Alright, or you can repair like there's some like glitching or like noise in the photo. You can repair it as well. So they have other features as well. But today our main focus is all this kissing and stuff that you guys probably are more interested in. Alright, so the kissing one is very simple. Alright, you just have to upload an image either of you alright, or and the girl that you want, or guy that you want to kiss. Alright, I'm not going to use my photos because there's a lot of my personal photos that I don't want to showcase in the video, but I'll use some of the templates you guys can see. So this is the girl. Alright, you can have like a, so you can choose any guy's photo. Alright, probably, for example, this is you, so maybe you have a photo of this is you. Alright, and you want to kiss, like maybe you can have a girl, upload a photo of a girl. Maybe you have, you know, you like this girl. Alright, and you want to make a video of your kissing. Alright, so yeah, so once it's done, alright, I will showcase this in a smaller screen because there's a create button below, but it doesn't support my you know, my phone. So I will show you guys. So once you click on create, alright, it will show like file uploading. Alright, so for this part, I will just show you guys in my smaller screen. Alright, so yeah, you will say file uploading. What this time you just don't have to do anything. Alright, you will say about when it will be done. So you will be over here. Alright, and yeah, me and my girlfriend, we actually did like play around with it. Alright, and I'm gonna show you guys a few later on. Alright, but yeah, you can see it's generating it. Alright, so let me just go back to the full screen. Alright, as you guys can see, alright, now this is done. So if I click on that, alright, you guys can see. Alright, yeah, it will turn into a kissing video. It's really, really cool. Alright, and this is the one that we did. It's like we put like a soft toy and a rabbit, and it turns into a human. Like, it's really cool. Alright, it can also detect like, you know, soft toys and animals. Alright, and yeah, you guys can see. Alright, so this is my girlfriend, and she likes, you know, this idol, and you guys can see. Alright, turn into a kissing video. It's really pretty cool. Alright, and this is probably me and my and a Doraemon soft toy. Alright, and it works as well. You can see. Alright, yeah. So yeah, it's really weird. Alright, you guys don't judge, but yeah, you guys can not only use human, but you guys can use like plush toys and just play around with it and overall have fun with it. It's really funny. You can show your friends as well. Alright, yeah, and then another one probably you guys might be more interested in, which is more popular one, is the Squish it. So so where's the Squish it? This is the Squish it. So like I said, you can upload a picture of you. Alright, probably I will just show you guys. Okay, upload a picture of myself. Alright. Okay, so this is me being taken on the photo. Alright, there you go. Alright, okay, so yeah, so you can take a picture of yourself, and I'm doing this in real time right now, so I'm taking a picture of myself, and yeah, you just like generate, and it's pretty fast. It doesn't take around 2 minutes, and on average it's about 10 to 20 seconds at most. Alright, so just click on Squish it. Alright, so this is what happens. Yeah, yep, looks really, really cool. Alright, so my face getting squished, and yeah, you can take a photo right on the spot. You don't have to upload any photo. So you can share, you can post it on TikTok, you can download it, you can delete it. Alright, it's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna show you one last one. Alright, because if I make the video too long, it's probably a bit too boring. But yeah, you guys can see, and you guys can go ahead and check it out and go ahead and play around with it. Alright, probably I like the fighting one. I think the fighting one is pretty cool. Alright, okay, I'm gonna just go use the normal model. Alright, just one of the girls. Okay, so now we just wait to let it generate, and it's done. It's pretty fast as well. Alright, so this is a fighting one. You guys can see. I think this is one of the things that you guys also seen on TikTok quite frequent as well. Alright, if you guys scroll a lot of TikToks like me, right, all these like they call it like brain rot stuff. Alright, yeah, so yeah, you can turn yourself fighting someone. Alright, and it's really, really fun to play with. Alright, I can spend countless hours creating all this really crazy stuff and showcase to your friends and family and have a laugh with it. Alright, so yeah, this is all in one app. So like I say, anything that you saw on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, alright, or anything that's related to AI one that you find really cool, like the Squish it, kissing, all this, and you're wondering how you guys can do it, well, this is the app that can do it for you. So yeah, you guys have seen from the demonstration itself, it's a really, really fun and really cool app, alright, that you can really do all these kind of crazy stuff, spend countless hours on it. So like I say, this app is available on both Android and iOS. So no matter what devices you're using, alright, you guys can have this app. And it's really amazing. Highly recommend you guys to check it out. Alright, the first link will be in the video description down below. Alright, so that's all for the guys. If you find today's video really interesting, really funny, alright, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.